What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghost Fighter, 2T's. You know I'm back with another video. I got an awesome video for you guys. I know it's a lot of you guys out there that might be needing this product I'm about to show you. You saw the thumbnail, so you read the title, so you know what this is about, man. I'm gonna show you some awesome steel toes, man. And y'all just make sure y'all hit me right here. Yeah, hit me with that sub, like, and that comment. That's all I want. It's free. It don't cost y'all no money to hit that sub and that like button and leave me a comment. Let me know your love for me. You feel me? So let's get right on into it. So this is what you're going to be presented by. Skechers. And we're going to unbox it. All right. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, wow. So what they do is they give you a book. This is the book it's gonna come with, and it pretty much just shows their quality of shoe, some different kinds that you can order depending on what you're needing. So you'll get that in the bottom of your book if you go to where I go. And this is what the box looks like. Okay, so before we get to the unboxing, I show you the shoe and what it looked like. I want to tell you right away, this is from an official Skechers store. I want to be clear about that. It's an official Skechers store. How my job does it is I buy the shoes up to $110. Anything past that, I don't get reimbursed for. Anything 110 and below, I get reimbursed for. It takes anywhere from a month or two to get the reimbursement back, but you do get it. You have to submit it to your supervisor, and then they take it up the chain, just like with any other leave or, you know, any other paperwork you turn into your job. So I got this at official Skechers store. The price for these particular Skechers, I'm gonna try to get you guys a code, a number, or something that the shoe may have, just so that when you guys go to the store to look for them, you can know exactly what you're gonna be getting. Okay, they were $89.99. They're slip resistant, and we're gonna get into all that. So let's just go ahead and get into it, and I'm gonna kind of show you. All right, so what I can see is a Skechers made to last for work, and it says safe toe meets ASTM safety standard requirements, Mark II tested slip resistant console, and it's lightweight safety toe. Let's see if it says anything different. And it says Skechers.com. You can see right there. And the code of this shoe is a 200, or I'm sorry, the number is a 20013/BLK for black. Okay? And it says Synergy OMAT, and it says black, and it says US 13 because I got a 13-inch Bigfoot. See anything else? Nope, that's all I see. All right, so here we go. We're gonna open it up, and in the inside it shows a BX 47544. 14 by 11 by 5, I guess that's the box or whatever, TC02. I don't know if that's gonna help you, but bam, here you go, man. Here is that nice shoe, man. Look at that. That is awesome, right? I'm getting a glare from this light in here. It's irritating, but there you have it. That's the side of the shoe, the back of it, the inside part. And it just shows that it's a slip resistant work shoe. And then I'll show you the front of the shoe. Pretty nifty shoe, man, right? Now, it is a steel toe. It is a steel toe. You do not have to wear this steel toe at a job that requires safety steel toe shoes. You can wear this at any place where you want your feet to be safe. See the slip resistant. I'm trying to just show you because I'm getting a glare, so I'm just trying to show you kind of irritating, man. I don't know why phones do that, but there you have it. It's a slick shoe. And there's the left foot right there. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this shoe. It says Skechers right there on the back of the shoe. Nice, slip resistant. I think it's a well put together shoe. It's really nice. I have been waiting to do this video so you guys can kind of see, get an idea of what they're gonna look like on your feet. All right. Yep, see that? I'm just trying to get all angles so that you see it the way that I see it. They're really nice shoes though. All right, guys, so what I will tell you about these shoes is these Skechers, I have a pair that I wear that are, excuse me, I have a pair that I wear right now. They're pretty much just like these, but they're not steel toes, so they're not that thick up top. They're more rounded and they don't have this part right here, which I think is really nice. That shiny look, like give it kind of that new look. This is a shoe that is probably going to sell really well. I think the shoe is a nice looking shoe. You don't have to worry about tying your shoe. You pretty much just slip them right on. Especially if you're like me. I like going to work in the morning, just get in the shower at night, get all my stuff together, and in the morning pop my shoes on and my clothes on, grab my stuff, and run out the door. I mean, going to work basically at the last minute. And then it has a little notch back here for you to put your finger in to help put your shoe on if you're having trouble putting your shoe on. It has a little notch back there. But yeah, man, these shoes are really awesome. I thought they could have put some type of design more on the side of the shoe, even though it's vented. I think that's why they didn't do it, because it's got some kind of ventilation in it. And on the inside of the shoe, it even says Skechers alloy toe memory foam, safety toe, and slip resistance. So yeah, you're definitely gonna get a genuine shoe. I think the price for these shoes are worth it, because you're gonna be able to keep this shoe and be able to clean off this shoe and wipe it down really good. This same material that you're seeing, the same material that you're seeing,